good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I feel like I haven't said that in quite a while here over on the main channel. I have been on my vlog channel, so if you do not follow me on the vlog channel, definitely go check out my vlog channel. I would love to have you guys subscribe over there because I do post over there, and then I'm also frequently posting on Instagram. So be sure you guys follow me on Instagram and my vlog channel. But in today's video, I am going to be restocking my pantry because my kids are out for summer break, and as you guys know, things need to be stocked up because the kids are home a little bit more frequently. So this is the first stock up. I am going to go grab more items, but this is what I have for now, and I just wanted to share me stocking the things up with you all. So we're going to get right into the video, and I hope this gives you some motivation to go ahead and get pantry stocked up for your kids if they're out for summer break as well. And we're just gonna get right into the video of some of my kids' favorite snacks, and we're gonna go ahead and put them in the bin. And guys, I did take my bins out of the pantry to go ahead and just stock everything up on the countertop, and then I'm going to put the bins back into my pantry, and then I'll show you guys that as well. But I've had these bins for quite a while now from my last pantry update where I just completely transformed my pantry, and I am thinking about maybe transforming it again, but I am still really liking these bins. So these are what we are working with, and I am going to go ahead and stock everything up. And these are all of the snacks that I have to stock up the bins, so we're going to get right into stocking everything up.
Smile lit up like a sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right.
So I've got everything stocked in the bins all the way down. So here I have their juices, all that could fit, and then I have these little graham bears. These are their favorite snack right now. They're chocolate chip graham bears, and these used to be my favorite when I was a kid as well, so I don't blame them. They're really good. And so I got some in here, and then I got these little cheese stick things. They've already been eating them, but they come 5 a pack, and they only have 1 more left, so I just stuck it in there. And then they just have some extra apple crisp left. And here they have crackers and Rice Krispies and popcorn. And then here we have all of their chips here, and then some water because we have tons of juice in the fridge. So I do want to make sure that they're getting their water in as well. But this is our first round of snack stock up for the summer. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff in the pantry. so I've got it all stocked up in the pantry here with what I added in. Those are just some extra Miss Vicky's chips down there. That's some extra like sea salt chips and stuff that we use for tacos. And then I just added all their little snack bins in that I stacked up. And everything is in here pretty well. And that is just an extra bag of cereal. But I've got everything stacked up in here nicely. So this is our first round of snack stock up so that they can just come in and grab their snacks, juice, water, or whatever they are wanting for snack time. And we'll just restock it when all of these are gone and get new snacks in. And I'm letting them pick the snacks this time all summer. So these snacks that I am picking may change. I know the chips won't change and the juices will probably change out depending on what they pick next, but these are the ones they wanted, and I don't mind these because they're 100% juice and they are really good. So I got those, and then they do like Capri Suns as well, so you guys will probably see those in some of the snack stock ups. Rice Krispie treats, the crackers may change, they may want something different next time, but this is what we have for our first round of snack stock up in the pantry, guys. And then also, guys, I am using some of those bins that I did have in the pantry to store their cereal out on the counter as well, because some days they do want to eat cereal for breakfast. So I just have some cereal in these little things here, some extra cookies. So whenever it needs to be refilled out, I'm just gonna wait till they eat the rest of those up and then I'll refill it with probably the chocolate Oreos. Those are the vanilla ones, but this is where they were getting their cereal, and I just put them on the counter so they won't be reaching above in the pantry and waste them out. And this has been working pretty well. Guys, this is my pantry stock up. So I thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.